Respected sir and my dear batchmate, good morning to all. Myself Jayaprakash. Today I will present my presentation topic food safety management and system. Content. Definition of food safety and hazards. Difference among GMP, GSP, GAP. Common food safety requirement HACCP and ISO 22000. Food safety management ISO 14000 Food Safety Programs Active Manage Control Principle of HACCP Conclusion and Reference Food Safety Definition of Food Safety and Hazards Food Safety A food safety is the assurance that food will not cause harm to the consumer when it is prepared and eaten according to its intended use. Food hazards. Foods can be become unsafe and have the potential to cause harm through hazards. Difference between GMP, GHP, GAP. GMP manufacture and process controls and includes supplier control, specification, calibration of equipment, design, where condition for food safety can be achieved, maintained and monitored. GSP system measures for maintaining hygiene and sanitation and include personal hygiene and employee health condition, maintenance of plants and equipment. GAP it is a particles that ensure environment, economical and social sustainability for on-farm particles resulting in safe and quality food and non-food agriculture products. Common food safety requirements, requisite programs, good agriculture practice, good hygiene practice, hazard analysis and critical control point. HACCP and ISO 22000 HACCP a system which identifies, evaluates and controls hazards which are significant for food safety. ISO 22000 is a generic food safety management standard. It can be used by any organization directly or indirectly involved in the food chain. ISO 22000 integrated the code's elementarious commission 7 principle of HACCP and dynamically combined it with PRP necessary to control and reduce any food safety hazards. Food Safety Management System Food Safety Management System group of practice and produce intended to prevent a foodborne illness, actively control risk and hazards throughout the flow of food. ISO 14000 ISO 14000 is a family of standards related to environmental management that exist to help organizations minimize how their operations negatively affect the environment, complete with applicable laws, regulations, and other environmentally oriented requirements and continually improve the above. ISO 14000 is a similar to ISO 9000 quality management. The requirements of ISO 1000 are an integral part of the European Union and Eco Management and Audit Scheme EMAS. ISO 14012 qualification criteria for environmental auditors. ISO 14011 audit procedure. ISO 14010 general principle for environmental auditing. ISO 14004 guidelines or EMS principal systems and supporting techniques. ISO 14000 environmental management system specification with guidance for usage. Food safety programs. These are the foundation of a food safety management system. Point number personal hygiene program, food safety training program, supplier selection and specification program, quality control and assurance program. Food safety programs. These are the foundation of a food safety management system. Cleaning and sanitation program, standard operating procedure, facility design and equipment maintenance or program pest control program. Active managerial control focus on controlling the five most common risk factors or foodborne illness. Point number one, purchasing food from unsafe sources. Point number two, failing to cook food adequately. Point number three, holding food at incorrect temperatures. Point number four, using contaminated equipment. Point number five, practicing poor personal hygiene. Active managerial control. There are many ways to achieve active managerial control in the operation. Training programs, manager supervision, incorporation of standard operating procedure HACCP. These are critical to the success of active managerial control. Monitoring critical activities in the operation, taking the necessary corrective action when required, verifying that the action taken control the risk factors. Active managerial control. The FDA provides a recommendation for controlling the common risk factors for foodborne illness. Demonstration of knowledge, stop health controls, controlling hands as a vehicle of contamination, time and temperature parameters for controlling pathogens, consumer advisors. HACCP the approach. HACCP is based on identifying significant biological, chemical, or physical hazards at a specific points within a product and flow throughout an operation. Once identified hazards can be prevented, eliminated, or reduced to safe levels. The seven HACCP principles. The seven HACCP principles. Number one, conduct at hazard analysis. Number two, determine critical control points. Number three, establish critical limits. Number four, establish monitoring procedures. Number five, identify corrective actions. Number six, verify that the system works. Number seven, establish procedures for record keeping and documentation. Principle number one, conduct a hazard analysis. Identify potential hazards in the food served by looking at how it is processed. Identify TCH food items and determine where hazards are likely to occur. For each one, look for biological, chemical, and physical contaminants. Principle number two, determine critical control points. CCPS. Find points in the process where identified hazards can be prevented, eliminated, or reduced to safe levels. These are the CCPS. Depending on the process, there may be more than one CCP. Principle number three, establish critical limits. For each CCP, establish minimum or maximum limits. These limits must be met, prevent or eliminate to the hazard, reduce it to be safe level. Principle number four, establish monitoring procedure. Determine the best way to the check critical limits. Make sure the are consistency meet identified who will monitor them and how often. Principle number five, identify corrective actions. Identify steps that must be taken when a critical limit is not met. Determine these steps in advance. Principle number six, establish verification procedures. Determine if the plan is working as intended. Evaluate the plan on regular basis of using point monitoring charts, record hazard and analysis. Determine if your plan prevents, reduces, or eliminates identified hazards. Principle number seven, establish procedures for record keeping and documentation. Keep records for these actions, monitoring activities, corrective actions, validating equipment, checking for good working condition, working with suppliers, involves specification etc. HACCP. These specialized processing methods require a variance and may require a HACCP plan. Smoking food as method to preserve it but not be enhanced flavor. using food additives or components such as vinegar to preserve or alter food so it no longer requires time and temperature control for safe curing food, custom processing animals. These specialized processing methods require a variance and may require a HACCP plan. Packaging foods using ROP method including MAP, vacuum package, sauce wide, treating example pasteurizing juice or on site and packaging it or later to sell, supporting seeds of beans. These are conclusion. ISO is the International Organization for Standardization is set up with the objective to promote the development of standards and related to activities of facilities international exchange for goods and services. These the standards allow a wide flexibility but at the same time are rigid too. They permit a supplier to formulate his own quality of policies in the quality manually procedure and the instructions in outs of the within the framework of the system element does not to work allow rendering on non-conforming products or services. These are the reference. Thank you.